The news on STV channel. I'm Daniel. Thank you. The Delta State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Chief Ekemejero Ohworiole's son, has commended the judiciary and the police for their swift action, just as it urged citizens to safeguard state-owned facilities meant for the collective benefit of the general public. The call by the Honorable Attorney General is coming as the Justice Onome Mokoro of the High Court 5, Asaba, in Delta State, has sentenced one Emmanuel Sunday to 2 years imprisonment with an optional fine after pleading guilty to 2 counts charges bordering on vandalism and intent to steal. The judge who found the convict guilty for damaging the section of the drainage system attached to the newly constructed Ebu Bridge along Asaba Ohworiole Expressway held that the 2-year jail imposed on the convict for each count would run concurrently, adding that 1 year was to be served in prison, while the remaining 1 year would be served as a non-custodial sentence. According to the Honorable Justice Mokoro, the convict is to serve his non-custodial sentence performing community service by cleaning the court premises in Ohworiole for the 1 year. The Delta State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Chief Ekemejero Ohworiole, spoke to newsmen shortly after the ruling, described the case as one that reinforces the state government's resolve to prosecute offenders who vandalize public infrastructure. While noting that the arrest of the convict was made possible after the Honorable Commissioner for Environment, Mr. Ekemejero, reported the incident to the police, Chief Ohworiole commended the judiciary for the historic ruling, same way he utilized the police for a swift action in apprehending the culprit for diligent prosecution. The Attorney General hinted that the defendant was arraigned on a 2-count charge, one of which was willful destruction of public property, which is punishable under Section 7, Subsection 1 of the Delta State Public and Private Properties Protection Law 2018, and the second charge bordering on severing with intent to steal, which is said is punishable under Section 395 of the Criminal Code Law, Cap C21 Volume 1, Laws of Delta State, 2006. On his part, Commissioner for Environment, Mr. Ekemejero, who reported the matter to the police, following which the culprit was arrested and subsequently arraigned, said the case served as a clear warning that government properties were public assets which are not for personal exploitation. He reiterated the government's zero-tolerance policy on vandalism of public infrastructure with a stern warning that any act of vandalism will be met with full weight of the law. That is the size of the news bulletin. Thanks for viewing. Please keep it with a STV channel.